Are you looking for the best reverse engineering services in Sadar Bazar, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to provide you with top-notch services that will leave you amazed. Reverse engineering is the process of analyzing a product or component and recreating its design using advanced technology and techniques. And when it comes to reverse engineering services, Scon Design India Private Ltd is the leading name in the industry. Located in the heart of Sadar Bazar, Delhi NCR, Scon Design India Private Ltd has been revolutionizing the field of reverse engineering with its cutting-edge solutions. With years of experience and a team of highly skilled professionals, they are able to deliver exceptional results that exceed customer expectations. Whether you need to reverse engineer a small component or a complex machinery, Scon Design India Private Ltd has the expertise and resources to handle any project with utmost precision. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other companies is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of delivering accurate and reliable results, and they go above and beyond to ensure that every project is completed with utmost professionalism. Their team of engineers and technicians are well versed in the latest tools and technologies, ensuring that their reverse engineering services are at par with international standards. Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of reverse engineering services to cater to the diverse needs of their clients. From 3D scanning and digital modeling to CAD/CAM design and prototyping, they have the expertise to handle every aspect of the reverse engineering process. Whether you are in the automotive industry, aerospace sector, or any other field that requires reverse engineering services, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. Are you in need of top-notch reverse engineering services in Sadar Bazar, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to cater to all your needs. With their expertise and years of experience in the field, Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a leader in providing exceptional reverse engineering services. Whether you need to recreate a product or modify an existing one, their team of talented engineers will ensure that every detail is captured with precision and accuracy. Sadar Bazar in Delhi NCR is known for its bustling markets and diverse range of products. It is no wonder that businesses in this area often require reverse engineering services to stay ahead of the competition. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the unique needs of businesses in Sadar Bazar and is well equipped to handle any project, big or small. Their commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction sets them apart from the rest. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other companies offering reverse engineering services is their unwavering dedication to quality. They use state-of-the-art technology and software to ensure that every project is completed to the highest standards.